you see, one aspect of investment, like the elder brother here have said, is the investment of health. I said it the other time that I was surprised that our brothers came from the Ghana Investment Promotion Council and they talked about all the big things and never mentioned the small things that make us big. You see, if you come down here, like I've written in my book, health in Africa is a way of life. It's not an institution. Because like I've been saying over and over when I go to teach in America, if big houses and institutions were the yardstick to measure health, nobody will be sick in America. If the big cars and the manipulation of computers is the one that is going to make you happy, nobody will commit suicide in America. But I bet you know more than I know, that the suicide rate in America is nothing to be compared even to the days of the Holocaust. People are killing themselves in several ways. Directly through pills, shooting themselves at anything, and indirectly by wishing themselves dead. Now, when I say people have a death wish, they say, oh, is that true? I say, yes, you have. Because you go to America and you preach health to them, and they say, well, but everybody will die of something anyway. You lie. Just like Brother David said, if death is coming, you run helter-skelter. Don't pretend you don't want help. You need it.
Right.
Most people die in America also because they are living in a system I call lonely in the crowd. People laugh at Africans, oh, the extended family system is so archaic and is so primitive. You lie. The extended family system, you know what it does? If you are homeschooling, you don't have a problem. If you have a problem with your emotions, you don't have a problem. There is somebody you trust. A cousin or a brother just close by that can talk to you. Physically, not only on phone. And the third, which is most important, and which is right now another canker in the big cities in Africa, including Ghana, Accra, Tema, is the breakdown of marriages. When we have the extended family system, there are people what we call the supporters of the marriage, and they counsel you along those lines. Now, why am I talking about this social event? Because we have found out that in healthcare, the core of most of our sicknesses in this our age is psychological. It's all due to suppressed emotion. People have a lot of pain in their hearts. Hatred, lack of love, regret and remorse, ingratitude. They form the basic foundation of more than 95% of the sicknesses that you take to a healthcare system that is there to doctor you and not to heal you. That is why their institutions have doctors, and our herbalists, we have healers. You see, when we are talking about healthcare and it has come down to Africa, oh, they've opened just a new hospital there. A 50-seater or what? A 50-bed hospital. And then we clap. Hospital walls don't heal. The scanning machines don't heal. If you enter into any institution of health, whether it be natural or the so-called conventional, the allopathic killing system, whatever knowledge can be used to help you is the knowledge of the human being and his or her humanness towards you. I'm telling you, the negative aura of a healer or a doctor alone can strike you there.
Wow.
All of us here know about the simple mystic and psychic reason why when you eat food that is cooked by somebody who is highly annoyed, it poisons you. In the Creole language, we have something called gu. It's in my book. When you are really annoyed and you don't settle the problem, they don't allow you into the gathering because you will bring negative vibes. Now, these are lifelong education that you will not get in any of the 4-wall classrooms, even up to your PhD level. These are some of the things that when you put technology aside and you come here, the so-called dark continent of Africa, you will learn and it will save your soul. Those things are not found in textbooks. They are imprinted on the message books which exude from the hearts of people. The forest you walk through in places like Tichima, the rivers you cross like the Ayensu, the Dewusu and the Volta, and the mountains that you scale over like Afajatu and Yoga. These are lessons that are written in the air. These are not lessons that are written in textbooks. That is why we welcome you here. But the flip side of the coin is also true. We cannot forever live here, and although we know leaves and potions that can help you when a snake bites you or a scorpion stings you, we need to connect with the world, for the world have to know of us. And that is why we need our brothers and sisters from the other side. Come and let's work together. Bring that technology in humility. And let's merge it up with the forgotten true knowledge of the world which is here. And like my sister said, don't be disappointed when you get to the restaurants in Accra and Tema and they are serving you food which is full of MSG, monosodium glutamate. If you want the rare stuff, get to the villages. Get to the hinterland. It might be lost, but they still have a lot of it within the people themselves. You can feel it from their heart, you can feel it from the ground you walk to.